Hello and welcome to Crafting with Queen Bee. Today you're going to be learning all about how you install Cricut Design Space on your Mac. Let's go! Step 1, crafting buddies, is to open Cricut.com on your browser, and that would be the Cricut website you see here. You're going to click on apps and then you're going to click on download Cricut Design Space. See that button right there? And that will open a new page that says Design Space for Mac. You're going to agree to the terms and then you're going to press download. Once you click on download, then it will say, do you want to allow downloads on design.cricut.com? And you allow. After that, it will download. And then you're going to go into downloads and you're going to double click or click on the icon, drag that into apps, and I will install it. And then you will find it in the launch pad. So you click on the launch pad and you will see Cricut Design Space. You click on that and you can also drag it to your dock since you're going to use it a lot, hopefully. And then since I don't have Rosetta installed because it's a new computer, I can install Rosetta. And then it's going to ask for the administrative password. Once I put that in, it will install, and then I should click on it again to open the program. Now, because I downloaded the app from the internet, it will ask me if I'm sure I want to open it, and I will press open. It takes a while to open because it's the first time that you're opening it, but once it does, you will see that voila, there it opens up. And what you have to do first, you can do one of two things: product setup if it's your first time using your machine and you need to set it up, and if it's not your first time, you can just press sign in. And you can sign in with your password, your email and your password, I'm sorry. And then once you go in, you're probably going to see an ad. You can just close that. And then you'll see all the images that they suggest that you can use and whatnot. So there you have it. That's how you install Cricut Design Space on a Mac. I did want to add that you don't need to pay for Cricut Access in order to use Cricut Design Space. Hope you learned something new today and enjoy crafting your life. Bye!